everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, for the first time, I'll be collaborating here with my mom, Marinella the artist. Go follow her if you're into very artistic things and projects that you can recreate at home, but that they also look very, very nice, very sophisticated. So today, what we're going to do is something kind of like this. So we're going to do with the pouring method, the acrylic side of this with all the colors. We're gonna add some natural rocks and some resin at the end to have the color pop. No?
Yeah.
To have it a bit brighter.
For you, it's the first time.
For me, it's the first time.
I will show her the technique, okay? And for me, it's a bit long time ago that I did something like that, so I have to look also.
Okay. On my channel, I will be doing my own resin, and then if you want to go see my mother's resin, I will leave a link in the description.
Okay, so I will put now here some of these. You can order this one in internet or even in a shop where they sell colors.
Yeah, where you buy paint.
Yes, paint. Okay. And then I will put some white, and this white is a bit thick, thicker than the other acrylic color. This is too thick, you have to mix it really well, okay? Huh? Yeah, she's stronger, so she's doing it. This is too thick. So what we're doing now is putting some water. Let's see. Okay, we have here black. So the black, this is already ready. Do you want a lot of black or?
No, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay, it depends now about acrylic, how much acrylic do you put, okay? Because some acrylic, they are thicker, some are less thick, and we have different acrylic, come si dice marca?
Yeah, brands.
We have different acrylic brands, you say it, right?
Brands?
Yes, so if the color is too thick, you need to put more water, okay? Like the gold, it was very liquid, so you have to put less water. You can use whatever acrylic color you want, okay? Just look that it is really nice, all the same, not too thick and not too liquid.
So.
Dopo puoi un po' muoverlo dove vuoi. e lasciarlo un po' aperto. Sì, puoi andare anche... ok, e lascialo. Puoi coprire un po' qua e qua con bianco, un poco. Sì. Intanto se un po' anche lì, se vuoi anche qua poco, così rimane un po', ok. E poi questa è più strong. Lighter, you can go first like this. With the white, you go first like this, and then you go again like this. It's strong, yeah. Nice, I like it.
Non lo so, mi piace più piano perché ho più controllo.
Bello. No, vai come vuoi. Adesso metti un po' bianco ancora. Va bene così? Ok. Guarda, se vuoi puoi andare fuori o dentro, come vuoi, fai come vuoi. Non si muove, si mette più forte. Ok, perfect. If you like it, it's perfect.
Devo fare qua da parte?
Sì, allora metti tutto via là. Possiamo mettere più qua. E poi pulire uno, fai un po', prendi il uno, lo giri così che non esce per terra, se lo giri, giralo, sì, adesso mettilo giù.
Ah, ok, ho capito. Vabbè.
Quindi questo, e quindi poi l'acqua calda, e lo mischi. mezzo, qui metti poco poco, metti qua poco poco, se così.
Okay, so here we are for the final reveal. So so show first, or you?
No, you
I
show first.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is my first one ever. Of course, let us know in the comments what you think and which one is your favorite. Let's say, okay, you put a like to the video if mine you like the most, and if you like my mom's the most, you're gonna leave a comment. So show yours, mother's reveal.
Okay, this is mine. And well, it's really easy. Hers is really the first time. You see, everyone can do it. Everyone can do it. Yes. What do you think?
No, it's just the delivery was funny.
What do you
But yeah,
think?
I think anybody can do it. It just takes time and patience. Be careful with the resin. Always have what was it, alcohol, in case your skin gets in contact with the resin.
Yeah,
That's the
you
only
have to
thing you
clean
have to
it
be
with
careful.
alcohol. Yes, you have to clean it with alcohol. Yes, and also the pouring, the acrylic, you have to let it dry, and sometimes it takes also 2-3 days. Okay, especially in winter. In summer, it will dry really quickly. We waited almost 3 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't have center heating. So yes, this is mine, but I did also leftovers. I did also this one. Yeah, so
Okay. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you. Well, I will see you. Maybe my mom in the future, but I will definitely see you in the next one.